In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color of your taskbar in Windows 11. To begin, you need to open Settings. You can do this by clicking the Windows Start button, typing Settings into the search bar, or clicking the area on your taskbar where your Wi-Fi, sound, and battery icons are displayed. From there, select the small gear icon to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Personalization. This section controls all visual and appearance settings for Windows, including themes, background images, and colors. Now, choose Colors. At the top, you'll see the option to switch between Light, Dark, or Custom mode. Selecting Dark or Custom is usually required for full taskbar color customization, so choose whichever works best for you. Scroll down to the section called Accent Color. Here, you'll find a palette of colors you can apply to different parts of the Windows interface. Click any color you like, for example, yellow, and it will instantly become your new accent color. Below the palette, you'll see a toggle labeled Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Turn this option on. As soon as you enable it, your taskbar will update to match the accent color you selected, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your taskbar color in Windows 11, giving your desktop a clean and personalized look. If this was helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe for more quick and clear Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.